Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Tompkins, Saskatchewan, a small prairie town right along the Trans-Canada Highway. The town was named after Thomas Tompkins, an early rancher and settler who helped shape the area. It began to grow in the early 1900s thanks to the arrival of the railway and the steady flow of homesteaders. Tompkins has always had strong ties to ranching and farming, and that prairie spirit is still alive today. You'll find quiet streets, friendly faces, and wide open views in every direction. The local grain elevator stands tall as a reminder of the town's agricultural roots. The nearby rolling hills and big skies make it a peaceful place to slow down. Whether you're passing by or pausing for a while, Tompkins offers a genuine taste of prairie life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Tompkins, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching!